I have to do something with the condensate line. Hello, welcome to Life in Every Season. We installed our MRCOOL mini splits in October, so all we've been doing is heating with them. We're not too far away from turning on the air conditioner. Hopefully it'll be June, but we'll see. And I have to do something with the condensate line. The mini splits don't pull moisture out of the air on heat mode, but they do when you air condition. And I just don't want to let this hose dangle here and possibly put water down the stone, and then there might be green stuff growing, or little mud wasp or mud daubers like to get in places like this and fill it, and then it could back up. So my plan is to dig a hole, put gravel in this 2-gallon bucket. I'll drill holes in the bottom of the bucket. I'll drill one hole in the lid, put the hose through it, and like I say, it'll gravity feed. I'm going to get it out here away from the foundation. So that's my plan on how to deal with the condensate line and the water that will be produced as you air condition. And yes, I got a buddy here. Hey, Libby. And so hopefully the ground's soft. I'll put it on time lapse and let you take a look. I have one on the back side of the house to do too. We decided to go with 2 separate mini split units instead of one outdoor unit with 2 indoor heads. Our thinking was that if one unit went down, the other one could take over and pretty much keep the house reasonably cool or reasonably hot. So let me get started. Okay, the digging wasn't horrible, but it's typical Appalachian mountain range dirt, is most of parts of Appalachia I've lived in. You hit clay, and after clay, usually there's sandstone. So I was starting to get into a little bit of sandstone, but the spud bar helps to get through that. So I've got my hole the correct depth. I'm gonna pour a little bit of gravel in the bottom of the hole and then fill my bucket. I went ahead and drilled smaller holes in the bottom, 3/8 inch paddle bit and 3/4. You might have seen me in the time lapse. It fits almost perfectly. I'll probably seal the line with a little caulk before I backfill this hole. So let's see if I can lift this bag of gravel one more time. And don't feel bad when you start a project. I've started to laugh about it as I get older, that by the end of the project you end up having almost all the tools out of your shed by the end of it. Alright, that ought to work on the bottom. Okay, put this in the hole. Get this a little reasonably level. Alright. What to do with that in my pockets. Alright. So I'll cut this to length. You see the idea, I'll take that against the house and just connect this to the bucket. That's it. I'll backfill it. So I hope this was helpful. I'll let you know how it works down the road. If it fails, I'll let you know. But did a little research yesterday. This didn't sound like an unusual way. I think I was on the Fine Building Network forum. Hopefully it is fine building. We'll button this up and we'll catch you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully it's helpful. But I'll let you know if it doesn't work, because I do a lot of things that don't work. I'll let you know when that happens. All right, see you later. I thought I'd give you a quick update. I'm toward the end. I've got the line buried. I'll go back and put a little more, level it up. There's the bucket. I put a little caulk around the condensate hose. I don't know if it's really necessary, but I went ahead and did it. Love big stretch. And I'm gonna go ahead and break for lunch. I'll let that caulk dry a little bit, and then I'll come back and just fill the rest of this with dirt. And if I can find it, I'll put a little grass seed on top, and I'll put a little mulch against the wall. But that's it. Like I said, we'll let you know how it works.